Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Persian Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Persian. Imagine this. You're walking through a beautiful street in Tehran. Lights glow softly. Voices echo around you. Someone looks at you, smiles warmly, and says something in Persian. You feel it, that moment, the chance to connect, to respond, to belong. But instead, you hesitate because you don't know what to say. Not anymore. Because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Persian. Naturally, confidently, and with the right flow. And by the end, you won't just understand it. You'll be able to say it. Let's begin. Every conversation begins with a greeting. In Persian, one of the most common ways to say hello is salam, pronounced sahlam. Say it slowly. Sa-lam. Again. Salam. Simple, warm, universal. Take a moment. Say it out loud. Salam. Good. You've just said your first Persian word. Now, let's introduce yourself. In Persian, you say, Man hastam, pronounced Man hastam. This means, I am. For example, Man Alex hastam. Let's break it down. Man means I. Hastam means Now together. Man Alex hastam. Try it. Man, your name, hastam. Again, slower. Man, your name, hastam. Nice. Let it feel natural. Now it's their turn. To ask someone's name, you say, Esm-e shoma chist. Pronounced. Esm-e shoma chist. This means, what is your name? Break it down. Esm-e shoma chist. Again. Esm-e shoma chist. Try it. Esm-e shoma chist. Good. You're now holding a conversation. After you hear their name, you want to respond politely. You say, Az didanet, khoshbakhtam. Pronounced as didanet, khoshbakhtam. This means nice to meet you. Let's slow it down. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Again. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Take your time. Feel the rhythm. Say it again. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Now, let's connect everything. Listen first. Salam. Man Alex hastam. Esm e shoma chist. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Now slower. Salam. Man Alex hastam. Esm e shoma chist. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Now your turn. Say it out loud. Take your time. In everyday conversations, people often speak more casually. Instead of shoma, you can say to, so the question becomes esmetchie, pronounced esmetchie. Try it. Esmetchie. Again. Esmetchie. Now you sound more natural. Let's expand your introduction. To say where you're from. Man az. Hastam. Pronounced. Man az. Hastam. This means I am from. Example. Man az Iran hastam. Man az Canada hastam. Try it. Man az. Your country. Hastam. Again. Man az. Your country. Hastam. Now combine everything. Man Alex hastam. Man az Australia hastam. Smooth. Confident. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. Salam. Man. Your name. Hastam. Man az. Your country. Hastam. Esm e shoma chist. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Take a breath. Again. Smoother. Salam. Man. Your name. Hastam. Man az. Your country. Hastam. Esm e shoma chist. Az didanet khoshbakhtam. Good. You're building rhythm now. Imagine it again. You're in Iran. Someone smiles at you and says, Salam. And this time, you don't freeze. You respond, Salam. Man, your name, Hastam. They tell you their name. You ask, Esm-e Shoma Chist. They answer. You smile and say, Az didanet khoshbaktam. And just like that, you've connected. You're a part of the moment. Let's review everything. Salam. Hello, man. Hastam. I am. Esm-e Shoma Chist. What is your name? Az didanet khoshbachtam. Nice to meet you. Man az hastam. I am from. Say them slowly. Repeat them. Let them settle. You don't need perfection. You need practice. And today, you started. In the next lesson, we'll go deeper. But for now, repeat this. Say it out loud. Use it. Own it. Because the next time someone speaks to you in Persian, you won't hesitate. You'll respond. And that changes everything.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.